Sir, I have heard about the camps are going on. So I just want to know that how this camp will useful for us as a PG student or for the homeopathic management.
Firstly, you need to understand why these camps are being conducted. Okay, so in our setup, like we are in Palghar district, so major area is a rural area or semi-rural area, and in the rural areas also there are specifically tribal areas where people are less privileged to take any medical benefits. So, like our one setup is at Bhopoli, which is giving services to the tribal areas, but there are multiple areas, and these people cannot be, you know, taken out of their zones for the treatment. So we need to reach to these people for providing them services, specifically clinical services from homeopathic point of view, as well as if needed from surgical point of view. Now, what commonly we see is there is climate change since last 2-3 weeks. So there are acutes coming up, fine. If these acutes are not treated well, then they might convert into something else. Followed by that, there are surgical cases which need complete surgical intervention. And there are these cases which are completely ignored or undiagnosed. Even the parents do not know that the child is suffering from certain surgical illness which needs to be corrected. So we reach to them and we provide our services. As a PG resident, your question is very genuine. From homeopathic point of view, we see to it that these acutes are managed. For chronic cases, we get them at our setup. There are cases of goiter which are commonly seen. There are cases of infertility which are commonly seen. So all these cases are being looked after. From psychiatric point of view, we have scholastic disabilities among children. Since these areas are ignored or not focused upon, there are many school-going children who need homeopathic care, who need ancillary measure of treatment. So that is one of the purpose. Secondly, at the same time, we should know what limitations are there from homeopathic perspective. As I said earlier, there are surgical cases. So in these surgical cases, we help them at low cost or absolute free services from surgery point of view. Also, since you have asked the question, I would like to highlight Mahatma Gandhi. He was a firm believer of homeopathy. He always said that homeopathy is the best system of medicine. He also said that we need to go back to the villages. He did not mean in the literal terms, but what he meant was this. We need to improve our healthcare sector at tribal levels or at grassroots levels. We have this experience during the COVID wave also. That is how homeopathy as a whole is going to be useful for them. At the same time, after seeing one cure or two cure in a family, the whole family turns up gradually. So that's how we are helping them. And from homeopathic perspective, this is a good thing. From a nation building point of view, all of these people are usually agriculture based as their occupation. Other than that, they are either into labor work. So if somewhere we can manage them, it directly affects the labor work, the agriculture. The whole of this affects directly the GDP of the country. Yes, so that is how we go with homeopathy for them and we serve them. Yeah.